Today, I'd like to talk about growing pumpkins when you have a limited amount of space. This small stretch of dirt may not look like much, but in the summer, we managed to grow rosemary, corn, peas, carrots, cucumbers, and a pumpkin plant. Anyone who's ever grown pumpkin before knows it's absolutely a huge plant would take over this entire area very quickly. The solution to that problem is force your pumpkin to grow along the rock wall instead of along the dirt. Here's how you can do that. Mount metal brackets along the wall so that the pumpkin can be supported. Some of the things you'll need to do this are a rotohammer. This tool is designed to drill holes into concrete and rock. You'll need concrete anchor bolts. These usually come in two flavors, with either lead inserts or plastic inserts. Since you're growing food here, you want to stay as far away from lead as you can get, so go for the plastic. On this project, I used a number 8 screw, length of 1 1/4 inches, and you'll need a 3/16 drill bit for your rotohammer. Several 1 1/2 inch 90-degree angle brackets, and finally some 1/4 inch wood dowel. Let's see how easy installation is. We're going to mount the angle bracket flat end up, and using your rotohammer, pre-start the first of 2 holes you're going to drill. Remove the bracket and finish drilling the hole. For the hardware I was using, I took my holes down to about 2 inches. And with a fresh bit in it, this rotohammer is a truly remarkable tool. You can drill a hole in rock or concrete as easily as going through wood. A quick fit check to make sure my screw will fit all the way in, then use the same screw to hold your metal bracket in place temporarily. This is so you can properly pre-start the second hole. Remove the bracket, then drill the second hole. Put a plastic insert into each of the holes, then use a hammer to pound them in. Now you can use 2 screws and attach the metal bracket to the rock wall. Using my belt sander, I put a point on one end of the dowel. This will allow the dowel to fit into one of the angle bracket holes and stay. Now you just place the pumpkin vine on top of the angle bracket, slip the wood dowel into place, and you're done. Obviously, as the vine is growing, you'll want to install more and more brackets. And during follow-on growing seasons, all you have to do is guide the vine from bracket to bracket. Oddly enough, your pumpkin seems to be smart enough to send out these little tentacles to hang on to the dowels. If the pumpkin vine still grows too long for the wall, you can see there's plenty of room to loop it back and grow it along the bottom half. And in case you're asking, what happens when the big pumpkins start to actually grow? Well, that problem is easily overcome by using reusable mesh grocery bags. They will easily allow you to distribute the weight of the pumpkin over several supports. Well, that's about it. Since this is the first week of spring, I'm sure you're eager to get out and give this a try. Thanks for watching.